What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create a post or how to create a pin into your Pinterest account, how to fulfill and how to get better results on it, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. So imagine the following scenario, okay? I want to create a post for this infographic right here, okay? So first you're gonna need the content, okay? Then you're gonna need the title. My title is gonna be this article title as well. So go to our Pinterest, you can go to your feed and access your profile by clicking into the upper right corner of your screen, into our profile picture. Scroll down and into the upper right corner, you're gonna be able to see an option called Create. You can create a pin, a brand, or a catalog. Go to Pin. And then you're gonna have a couple of options to fulfill, okay? First thing, choose the file or drop it right here. Here's my file. Then we're gonna need to fulfill the title. Another option, an important field, is the description of the pin, just like this. Then a link. Once this pin it comes from this article right here on OpenAISuite.com. You're gonna place the article title, the article link, slug, just like this. Then the brand. You can choose a brand. In my case, it's gonna be guides and tutorials. And you can enter some tags in the case that you want, okay? So up to you. You can complete with tags to get better results. LED. Just like this. You can add some products in the case you want to tag some product. You can publish at a later date. You can use AI modified mark or not. There is some more options. Show similar product. Allow people to comment and enter some alt text for this pin, okay? After this made, hit the publish button and you are good to go. If you are a business owner, you can review the upper left corner of your profile on Pinterest. Go to Business Hub. Scroll down, and right here you're going to be able to see into the upper right corner of the screen a button called Create, and you can create a pin right here as well. Up to you and to your needs. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!